What's up, DevTech YouTube channel subscribers and viewers, followers? In today's video, I am going to show you or to review one of the investment or the savings package in MTN Mobile Money that I shared with you some time back. And the profit that I managed to get and what I saved for that small period. That is what you're going to see in this video. But before we get started, if you're new in this YouTube channel, please don't forget to click on the subscription button, liking this video, sharing it, and also leaving a comment on maybe what you managed to get after your savings or what happened to you. Leave it in the comment section so that I can follow and maybe make a video or teach other people about it. Now, if you watch this video and you feel like to get started, please, the link I will leave under this video description in case you don't have the link, then you can also get started with it. Now, if you use the link under this video description, you're going to get some welcome bonus, which is money deposited directly to your MTN Mobile Money. Once you create an account in MTN Mobile Money, you make any investment, then that is done. You will be good to get started. Now let's see how I managed to do it in my screen.
Right now, I come to my Xeno app. This is my Xeno app. Now, when I tap on it, I have to log into my account. So all this I can put unlock, then I log in. Now, when I log in, this is my account, and as you can see, this is my name, everything I have set, and this is what I say, where I say that you can as well do some invitation, like inviting people when they sign up, and at least they put a minimum of 10,000, you're going to get 5,000. And also that person who is going like you're going to get 5,000, also get 5,000, just like that. So here is what you're going to earn. But before we do that, let's first see what I managed to do. So now you can see that I had a goal that I had set, and my setting was that at least every month I have to make automatic saving of 10,000 Uganda shillings. This is roughly $2.5, just like that. So now if I come down, you're going to see that I didn't manage to do that for quite long. But here down here you can see when I started, I put 10,000, then I put again 10,000 the next month. Then now when we come and we click on my goal here, but before I continue, if you want to create an account to get started, please check the video that I have left in the first pinned comment section of this video. Now, when we come and we check on my goal here, then from my goal, you're going to see what it is telling me, that I'm going to close this, that this is my net investment, then this is what I earn, that is the total profit. So this is from August 2024, and I have managed to raise this money. So if I tap, you can see invested and value was 0, then net investment. So that is how everything went, and now up to here where I kept on earning some profits. Down here you're going to see strategies where they say money makers is yellow, which is this one. Then bond is more big than the money market. So that is how it is. Now you can see down here that this is when I deposited $10, then I deposited again $10, then this is the bonus. As I said, that if you do refer, you refer other people, you're going to get some bonus. So I got it here, then I withdrew 10,000. This is when I requested a withdraw, then I kept on doing it. So that is how I earned that money. Now let's first explore this app before I finish. So this video was just to show you how much I made. As you can see that this is what I have made in this platform. So this is 3,000 from 30,000, and now my total balance is 38,000 Uganda shillings. So now this app here, it has the account page where we are, that is like home page. Then we go to the deposit page. The deposit page is where you can deposit as well using Airtel Money, MTN Mobile Money, or you can transfer from bank direct to this account. So guys, this one is very safe, free. You're not charged for your money staying here, but everything is there free. Now we come to auto saving. Auto saving, in case you want to set automatic saving, and as well if you want to cancel the also automatic saving, you can come and tap here, and now you can see that I have my automatic saving here. But if you want to add automatic saving, you're going to come and click on add. Now when you add, you're going to select the network, which is MTN. Then you're going to put the amount here. What is the amount? But before, you're going to select the account first, like that. Then here you tap and you select your goal. Your goal is going to appear. So this is my goal that I had set to build a home. Now I tap there. Then if here it says that we notice your home goal as unactive automatic, click on proceed. Then here we select the method, that what is the period of frequencies. Do you want in daily, weekly, or monthly? Now when I tap on monthly, then now here this ask me that in a month, which day do you want at least to deposit this money? So you can say this. Then here they open for you here where you're going to put the amount. You can put 100, you can put any amount of 5,000 or 1,000. So if you select like this, then you click on this done button. Now when you click on done, you have to come and click on next here. Then here it says that your single transaction limit is 50. So this is what you're going to do. So up here it is showing that it is from MTN to Xeno, but this one is very free. So you click on next and continue, but I have a complete video where I talked about that. Now if you want to cancel these savings, you're going to come to your account, then you come to auto savings, then you're going to get the automatic saving that you have. Then now you're going to tap on it. Now when you tap on it, you're going to see that this is the active automatic saving that you have. So you're going to tap on it once. Then now when you tap on it, you're going to come and click on this option, because you see status is active. So you're going to come and click on options. Now after clicking on options, then you click this last one. You can update in case you want to change the date, or you want to increase the amount. Then maybe I'm just going to click on cancel. Then you select the reason here. Me, I can put this one here. Then I just tap, then I click on proceed to cancel my automatic saving. Now you're going to receive a message to that MTN number you've used. So now I have verified my account after receiving that message, and here it says that your home goal automatic saving has been cancelled. Now in case you want to make your withdraw, you're going to come to your account, but for you to reach here, you need to be in your home page or account page. Then you click on your home goal, your goal. Now when you click on your goal, you have to see three dots on your top right hand corner, which are these ones here. So when you tap on it, you're going to click on withdraw. Here you can see there is a deposit, there is a withdraw, lock withdrawals, then deposit reminder, view strategy, view targets, then rename. So me, I want to withdraw. So you're going to come and click on withdraw. Sometimes when you're making withdraw here, it takes long for you to receive that money. Now you're seeing that here you are not going to be in position to withdraw everything, but the money you've used for opening this account is going to remain to keep your account active. Now when you've started like 10,000, the 10,000 is just as I showed you in the previous video, that 10,000 will remain in your account. That is to keep your account active. But what you're going to withdraw is the other money. If you have 1 million, 10,000, you're going to withdraw 1 million. And the 10,000 remains. Now as you can see that here my current balance is 38,179. Then my maximum withdraw is 28,179. So here now we are going to go to the procedure of withdrawing. Now here it says that send money to, so we have to tap here, then we click on this MTN, then we tap here to enter the phone number. We select the phone number, we use another phone, we tap on this. Then here, do you wish to proceed? This is just to ask you, but if you want to withdraw to your exact number, you can use this one, but I am going to use another number because of some reasons. Then I'll tap here. Then now here I'll click on proceed to proceed with my withdraw. Now I have to first receive this verification. Then I enter it here to verify. Then here now I have to enter the number that I want that money to be sent to. Then after you entering, you click on next. Now here you have to confirm this number. Is it that very number, real number? Then you click on proceed. Then it is going to send a verification code, like it has sent me a verification code to the number that I want to withdraw this money to. It is even good that if it is a wrong one, you are not going to verify it and you change it. But of course, if you receive that message, it means it is a good one. Now here it says that successfully added secondary your phone number. Please note withdrawal will be locked for 24 hours. So if you do this, the withdrawals will not work for 24 hours, but that is how you would do that withdraw. Okay, now after you adding that number and you come and try again like to withdraw, you're going to see that number. Just follow that procedure. Then I come and click on withdraw. Here we select I want it to MTN. You can send it to Airtel Bank. Then now I have that number is this one, so I'm going to tap on it. Then here we have to enter the amount. So let me say that I want to withdraw 2879 because that is what I can withdraw. 10,000 will be there. Then reason for withdraw, you can choose have to fund my home goal or this. Then here we need notification to be sent where, but of course I have selected phone number. Then I will click on transfer. So this is what it is telling us to review what you are doing. So this is the goal, the amount, money sent to this number. This is the reason. Now we click on proceed. Now when you click on proceed, here is to protect your goal. Withdrawals are temporarily disabled while verifying recent changes. So that is how you do it. But because I've just changed the phone number as I showed you, so I cannot make a withdrawal in this video, but I'm going to make it tomorrow.
Right, I know you've already watched that video, you've understood and you've seen how everything was done and what I got. Now that is what I managed to get. This is because I am always someone who wants to try very many things so that I share with you. So I removed what I'd saved, what I was trying with it there. Then that is what I remained with in that account, and I got that profit out of that money that I left in my account. Now, if you also want to get started saving for any program that you want, like school, building a house, buying land, or any other thing, please use MTN Xeno to do your savings so that you get some profits while saving. Your money will be safe. Like you've seen, I saved that money for 1 year, and that is what I managed to get. It is small, but it is only for my videos tutorials. Now, use the referral link and my invitation code. When you use it, you're going to get some welcome bonus. Once you create an account, you make a recharge or you deposit or you start saving. Let me say, once you start saving, then you will earn some commission. Please, if you have not understood anything and you want to learn from the beginning, check the videos that I have tagged here. At the end here, I have left them here. Check those videos and get started. Let's meet in the next video.